All right, welcome to IT Data Analytics. This video shows you how to install IT Data Analytics on Windows. We're going to start out in docs.bmc.com, and we're going to go to the Installing and Installing Silently section. The reason we're going to start out here in the docs is because there's an important Windows sample options file that we'll need to use and take a look at during this video and this process. Go ahead and download that file, and then open that up in your favorite text editor. Okay, in this file, you can see a lot of parameters and options for setting things like the installation folder, the components of IT Data Analytics that you want to install, as well as several options for the behavior of those components. One specific parameter that I want to draw your attention to is the station instance name. You will need to specify the local machine name of the server you're installing on if you're installing the collection station component. I have created a sample options file generator script that will create your sample options file, and it will put in the local computer name, as I mentioned earlier, for the station instance name parameter, as well as it will actually extract the installer for you from the zip file and even run the installer. In addition, I want to point out, you can see towards the bottom of the screen, it also prompts you, if you are running the install via an RDP session, you have to make a couple of changes to the registry. This has to do with how our installer for IT Data Analytics behaves with respect to the temp directory behavior via RDP sessions. So you have to make a couple of minor changes there. It's very safe to do that, but you'll get prompted by this install script as a reminder, and it'll make those changes for you. And at the end, it will also list the IT Data Analytics services that have been installed so that you can confirm that the status of those services are what you expect. So let's take a look at the install in action. Here I have a Windows Server 2012 R2 install, and I've created a temp folder off of the root of the C drive, and I've put the install package for IT Data Analytics as well as my install silent script file in that folder. So what I need to do now is just launch a command prompt, navigate to that temp folder, and you can see those two files are here, and I'm just going to run the inst_silent.cmd file. Again, this is going to extract the installer files. It's going to prompt me to confirm that I'm okay with making those registry changes that I mentioned before. If I do nothing, it'll make those for me. There it did. And it will then run the installer. The installer will take a few minutes to complete, and we'll see that at the end of the video, the script will show me the status of the IT Data Analytics services that have been installed. That's it. I'm up and running with IT Data Analytics. Simple as that, one command. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us via communities.bmc.com.